Next, third question. In this question, he has given weekly wages of 30 workers and he is asking to make a frequency table, and he has already given the intervals also, like 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. And he is also saying using tally marks. Let us do. Interval is already given, like 800 to 810, and this will continue. Now what we are supposed to do is, the first thing, identify the minimum value. It is 806 minimum value this is. And what is the maximum value? 898. This is the maximum value. So first one, 800 to 810, will it come? Yes. So this maximum should come. So we will take up to 890 to 900. To see which is the maximum, we should first find out the maximum value so that we can arrive the maximum class interval. Now 800 to 810, next 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890, 890 to 900. Let us see how many we will get for each one. So by using tally marks, we are going to do the frequency distribution table. In this case, we have to see one by one. The first value given is 830. Now we have to see where 830 will fall. Now 830 is to be kept in 820 to 830 or 830 to 840. This 830 is there in both the intervals. In such cases, we will put that value into higher class interval. We will put into higher class interval. That is, 830 should be kept here in this interval, but not here. So 830 to 840, one tally mark. 835, here only 830 to 840. 890, that should be in 890 to 900. 810, 800 to 810, 810 to 820. So we will keep it in 810 to 820. 835, 836, 869, 845, 898, 890, 820, 860, next 832. So when 4 are completed, so by using slant line, we will draw like this. This is one set of 5 tally marks. So what is this? We have taken 832. Then 833, 855, 845, 804, 808, 812, 840, 885, 835, 835, 836, 878, 840, 868, 890, 806 and 840. So this completes our tally marks. Now how many are there? 3, 2, 1, 5 and 4. 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. Total 'Now let us sum it up. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 15, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 30. So total is 30. Totally there are 30 workers. So this is the frequency distribution table. This is very easy process, but sometimes it will be tedious if the number of values are more. And next, fourth question. Next question what he says is, for this only draw a histogram. Fourth question is drawing histogram. Draw histogram for this table. Let us draw. So these are the values and this is frequency. Just we have adjusted this so that I will get some place. Now let us draw a histogram. Now, so we will start with 800 here. So as we are not starting with 0, what we are supposed to do? We have to draw a broken line. Remember? Like this. Then we will start 800, then 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890 and 900. Coming to frequency, what is the maximum number? 9. Here the maximum number is 9, so we will take up to 10 values. Up to 10 values are enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you want, we can take more also. Now, the first one, 800 to 810, 3. So, 800 to 810, 3. Next, 810 to 820, 2. 2. 820 to 830, only 1. So we'll take only 1. 830 to 840, 9 are there. So 9. 840 to 850, 5. 840 to 850, 5. 850 to 860, only 1. 860 to 870, 3 are there. 870 to 880, 1. 880 to 890, 1. Again 1. 890 to 900, 4. This is the histogram. In a fourth question, he is asking to draw a histogram. This is a histogram. And then he is asking 3 questions. Which group has maximum number of workers? Just by seeing this histogram, we can find. How? Which is having more height or the largest here? 9. So, this is having maximum number of workers. What is the corresponding value here? 830 to 840. See here, this is from 830 to 840. So the answer is which group? No, the group is 830 to 840. This group is having maximum number of workers. Second question, how many earn 850 and more? Here we should be careful. The question given is how many people are earning above 850? 850 and more. Now see, up to here 840, 830 to 840. Here 840 to 850. This is 830 to 840 and this is 840 to 850. Up to 850 these people are earning. The question is 850 and above 850. So from here onwards, this is 850, no? From here onwards, these people, this is 1 plus 3. So this is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 4, 10. So 10 people are earning 850 and above. Next question is how many earn less than 850? Now see where the 850 is. Here the 850 is there. This point. Now this is 840 to 850. So up to this 850. Less than this. That is left hand side of this. This 5 plus 9 plus 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. These are the people who are earning less than 850. This is 850, no? So all these people will come under the group who are earning less than 850. So 5 plus 9, 14, 15, 17, 20. So 20 are earning less than 850 rupees.